How to enable comments on YouTube. First of all, we need to go to youtube.com and log into our account. Once we do this, we need to move our mouse to the right top corner to our avatar and click on it. After we click on it, we need to go to YouTube Studio. Once we open YouTube Studio, we've got two different ways to enable the comments. First of all, let's go to Videos on the left side. And over here we'll see videos from our channel. So if we already have a video on our channel and we want to enable a comment on it, we can do it over here. All we need to do is just tick the videos that we want, just select them over here. And after you select them, click up here on this one, on this little arrow. And then from this list we need to choose comments. After we choose comments, as we can see over here, we've got few different options to choose from. We can disable comments, hold all comments for review, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, or allow all comments. So of course, if we want to enable the comments, we will choose the first option. After we do this, we click Update Videos. Select I understand the implications and Update Videos. Once we do this, all the videos are being updated and comments will be enabled on them. Now I'll show you the second way, how to set comments to enabled for all future videos we will upload to our channel. To do that, we need to choose Settings from the menu on the left side. After we go to Settings, we need to choose Upload Defaults. Once we open Upload Defaults, from the tabs over here we need to choose Advanced. Once we do this, we can scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, here is the part where we can set up comments for our future videos. So if you want to disable comments on all the videos, you would choose this one. If you want to enable comments on all of the videos, choose the first option. If you want to hold the comments that may be inappropriate, choose this option over here, or this one for all comments to be kept for review. Once you select the option you want, let's say I'm gonna choose this one, all you have to do is click Save. And right now, all the future videos you're going to upload will have comments enabled. That's it for today. Remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.